In today's meditation, I thought it would be beneficial to simply rest and relax. We entered the period of summer holidays. Many of us have worked hard during the year. Now we are ready to relax for a bit, take some time off, and be with family, friends, maybe travel, or even just stay home. But wherever you are or whatever your plans are this summer, I hope you can include a moment to simply pause, relax, notice how you're doing, let the body release tension, the mind calm down. Meditation can be a wonderful way to build some rest and relaxation, whether during holidays or during the day. So, as always, I invite you to find a comfortable position. Doesn't have to be complicated. You can just be sitting down or lying down. Since it's designed to be a restful experience, it's probably best to be sitting or lying down, but you can even stand or walk while listening. And if it's comfortable to you, you can close your eyes. As always, open eyes are okay as well, as long as you relax the gaze and don't stare into anything too intensely. And start by taking a few deep breaths. This is always good to just ground yourself in the body, to feel like you have arrived in the body. A deep inhale and then slow exhale. Repeat a few times as needed, noticing if the breathing slows down naturally. And then you can let the breath come back to normal and just notice the state of the body as a whole. Notice the position the body is in, how it's supported by the chair or any surface you're on. Perhaps noticing the seat or how your feet are touching the ground. Letting the body settle. You have time to take this break, to pause. You have time to rest and relax. Even if your mind has already gone to something you have to do, or perhaps thinking about something in the past, planning for the future, worrying, simply return to the breathing or the body. Remind yourself that you can always think and worry and plan, remember later. Right now you can rest. Right now you can breathe and stay present with whatever's happening inside of you and whatever's happening outside of you. Or to help us relax even more, we will do a short body scan, noticing sensations in each area of the body while letting that area relax naturally. The tension usually releases all on its own. So with the next breath, notice the muscles in the face relaxing. Letting the tension dissolve in the muscles around and behind the eyes. Unclenching the jaw, letting it drop. And relaxing the muscles of the neck, letting the shoulders drop. Letting arms be heavy, all the muscles in the arms, all the way down to the hands, just relaxing naturally. Noticing sensations in the hands, in each finger, letting hands relax. Noticing sensations in the back, from the top of the back, down the spine to the lower back. If needed, adjusting the position so the back is as comfortable as possible. If we can, we would like to avoid any unpleasant sensations in this restful and relaxing meditation. With the next deep breath, noticing sensations in the chest and belly, softening the muscles in that area, just allowing the chest and belly fully expand with each breath. Moving attention downwards, hip area, upper legs, knees and lower leg. Just letting the legs be heavy, as relaxed as possible. And then finally arriving at the feet, noticing whatever sensations are present in the feet, in each part of the foot, the soles, the heels, each toe. And then just for a moment, Noticing entire body resting and relaxing. Noticing entire body just breathing. Because today there's no need to go anywhere, no hurry, no need to run. Everything can slow down. The thinking can slow down. The breathing can slow down. And even if the mind gets distracted or there's some distractions in your environment, even those can simply be the background. They can fade away, disappear as you stay present only with the body, the breathing. Letting yourself rest and relax. Whatever's happening outside, just allowing yourself to calm down the way the sea calms down after all the storms and winds have passed. You can even imagine yourself as a sea with a very calm surface. There's nothing to do and nowhere to be. Just being, breathing is enough. You can continue for as long as you need. You can pause or stop this recording. You can continue the rest or perhaps have a nap. And when you're ready to return to the surroundings and other activities, I invite you to slowly move your fingers and toes. Take a deeper breath or two. Reopen your eyes if they were closed and return fully to your surroundings. And I hope you enjoyed this short, relaxing, restful meditation. Don't forget to subscribe for more recordings like this one. I really appreciate all the likes and comments as well. And I hope to hear from you or see you next time. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy your summer breaks.